Class 8, we have completed the chapter number 7, socio-religious reforms. Now in today's class we are going to start our exercises. So the exercise A is answer the following questions briefly. I suggest you to be with the reader and pencil so that you can mark or you can note down the answers, right? So let's start today's class. Okay, the very first exercise is answer the following questions briefly. Now, question number 1 is name the father of Indian Renaissance. I hope you all can answer. Answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So you are going to write Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the father of the Indian Renaissance. Or in another way, you can write the father of Indian Renaissance is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Clear? Okay, come to the second one. Name the Reform Association founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So the association was, yes, answer is Brahmo Sabha, right? Later on, it came to be known as Brahmo Samaj. So the answer is Brahmo Sabha, or in bracket you write down Brahmo Sabha, in bracket write down Brahmo Samaj, was the reform association founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Clear? Okay, so you are going to write both Brahmo Sabha and in bracket write down Brahmo Samaj. Was the reform association founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. This is not one word answer, so you are going to write full answer. Right now, number 3. What was the greatest achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in social reforms? So in social reform means in society what good work he had done. What was the greatest achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy? So the answer is with the support of William Carey and whom? With the help of William Carey and William Bentinck, he was successful in banning sati system, right? And made that sati punishable by law in 1829. It's given in page number 82, social reforms. In that paragraph, you will find the answer. So how you will write the answer? What was the greatest achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in social reforms? The greatest achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy was that with the support of or with the help of William Carey and Lord William Bentinck, sati was banned and made punishable by law in 1829. Clear? Okay, so this was the greatest achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in social reforms. Now come to the next question, that is question number 4. What was the common factor between Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and William Carey? So what was the common factor between these two faces, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and William Carey? Okay, what was the common factor between Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and William Carey? So both were the social reformers who had opened schools and colleges in West Bengal. So that was the common factor between Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and William Carey. Now next is who was Veer Salingam? So we know that Veer Salingam, the real name was Kandukuri Veer Salingam, was a social reformer of Andhra Pradesh, and he was born in the Andhra family, Orthodox Andhra family, and he was considered as the first person or the first who brought about a renaissance in Telugu people and Telugu literature, right? So that's the answer of question number 5. Now question number 6, name the social reformers who campaigned for widow remarriage. So you need to write the name of the social reformers. So those were R.G. Bhandarkar and Mahadev Ranade, R.G. Bhandarkar and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar were the social reformers who campaigned for widow remarriage because they thought that widow could marry again. They can remarry, right? Now, next is who was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Question number 7. Answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was an ardent Muslim, we can say, social religious reformer amongst the Muslims, right? And he was a great social reformers among the Muslims in India, and he strove hard to remove British hostility towards Muslims. And he advocated English education and asked Muslims to learn modern science and adopt modern ways and ideas. So that was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Clear? Now next is who launched home rule in Madras? The answer is Annie Besant. So Annie Besant launched home rule in Madras. Next, how did the Singh Sabha help the Sikh community? Answer of question number 9 is how did Singh Sabha? Singh Sabha helped the Sikh community when the government passed a new Sikh Gurudwara Act in 1925. So by this act, the right of management of the Sikh Gurudwaras passed into the hands of SGPC. So what's the full form of SGPC? I told you that is Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee. In that way, the corrupt and the selfish Mahant who had been exploiting the religious places, Gurudwaras, were turned out of the Gurudwaras. So in this way, Singh Sabha helped the Sikh community. Number 10, name the great reformers who fought for the abolition of caste system. So many social great reformers were there who fought for the abolition of caste system. For examples, Jyotiba Phule, Lokhitwadi, Veer Salingam, and your Sri Narayan Guru. So these were the great social reformers who fought, religious reformers who fought for the abolition of caste system, right? So we have done exercise A. Now let's move to exercise C. Okay, let's discuss this one. Exercise C, fill in the blanks with the suitable word or words. Dash represented Hinduism at the World Parliament of Religions held at Chicago in 1893. So answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy represented Hinduism at the World Parliament of Religions held at Chicago in 1893, and that was the first time that somebody from India represented Hinduism at the World Conference, right? Second, Dash started the MAO college at Aligarh. What's the full form of MAO? Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, right? MAO, Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental. So now who started this? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started the MAO college at Aligarh. The Prathana Samaj was founded by Dash and Dash. So the two names of social reformers are R.G. Bhandarkar and Govind Ranade, Bhadev Govind Ranade founded Prathana Samaj. Fourth one, Gulamgiri was written by Jyotiba Phule. Gulamgiri was written by Jyotiba Phule. Now next, exercise D. Match the contents of column A with those of column B suitably. Column A is here, column B. In column A, Rajaram Mohan Roy is written. First, second is Swami Vivekanand. Third is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Fourth is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Fifth is Jyotiba Phule. In the another column, A is written the Ramakrishna Mission, MAO College. B, C is Gulamgiri. D is the Arya Samaj, and the E is abolition of Sati. Now let's match the words of column A with the words of column B. Number 1, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Answer is E. Abolition of sati. Right? So with the help of, we know that with the help of William Carey and William Bentinck, he made this sati banned. Now number 2, Swami Vivekanand. Answer is the Ramakrishna Mission. Answer is the Ramakrishna Mission. Number 3, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Answer is D1, the Arya Samaj. What? The Arya Samaj. Number 4, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Answer is MAO College, Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. So Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded or started MAO College at Aligarh. Now next is number 5, Jyotiba Phule. Answer is Gulamgiri, because he wrote a book named Gulamgiri. So Jyotiba Phule, Gulamgiri. Clear? Okay, now let's come to multiple choice questions. I think you are able to answer this one. Exercise E1. Dash is known as the father of Indian Renaissance. That's Rajaram Mohan Roy. Number 2, Dash was established by Swami Vivekanand. Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekanand. Third, Vivekanand Rock Memorial is in, where is it located? Kanyakumari. It is situated in Kanyakumari. So Vivekanand Rock Memorial is in Kanyakumari. Clear? And where is Kanyakumari? It's in Tamil Nadu. Now fourth one, Kandukuri Veer Salingam was a social reformer of Dash. Kandukuri Veer Salingam was a social reformer of AP, Andhra Pradesh. Where? AP. He was from Andhra Pradesh. Right? Okay. Okay, that's all for the day, children. In the next video, next class, we'll do remaining exercises, right? And we'll do some activities also. So, thank you.